Okay, little quick video to show you where I put the split charge cable when fitting it onto a Volkswagen Transporter T5 or T6. So I haven't connected it to the battery yet because the connections aren't finished inside, as you'll see in a minute. But this cable, suitably protected in our bit of conduit here, goes through here. How do you take that off? Well, if you lift this here rubber cover off, you'll see there is a hex screw there, or sorry, torque screw there. There's another torque screw just under there. To get to that, you have to pull this off very carefully, like this at one edge, and it just pushes and clips into place. So you just lift, 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 and you can push it up just enough to get to that bolt. Then you will see that if I remove that there carefully, you will see that underneath there, that's where a cable comes out the other side, and there is a grommet. Take the grommet out, put a hole in it, and it comes through in the van up here. To give you some context of where that is, there's the dashboard, there's the wheel well on the passenger side, and it comes out there. It's ready to round behind the heating, ventilation, air conditioning system. I've taken the mat out, by the way, so you can see what's going on. So you have to take the doorstep out, and realistically, it's best to take the B pillar off as well. But you don't have to. You can do it without taking the B pillar off. You might break some plastic clips there. So back under here, under this piece of plastic where a lot of Volkswagen wiring goes, pops out here. You can see I've got it in the protective conduit again, and into the melee of wires that usually pops out under the passenger seat. Now, I'm putting a battery under the passenger seat, so all these wires that were clumped together in a plastic clip system, the clip system's been removed. These just unplug, come apart to come out of the clip system. There goes my prop. They pull apart, come out of the clip system, push back together, and you can arrange them neatly into this gully. Now, hopefully it's going to be dry, but a lot of transporters are wet under here, so let it air out if you can. And then the cables all pop out through here.